Hello everyone, this is Erika from EA Group. Ever since I started my page, I have gotten overwhelming messages with your credit repair questions. What I've noticed is that a lot of you have the same question. Can a charge-off be removed from my credit report? Can my bankruptcy be removed from my credit report? And the answer is yes. But I decided to do something a little bit different. What I want you to do is drop your credit repair question below, and I will post a video giving full details of how to do it yourself. If you are interested in credit repair, please see all of my information below if you'd like a consultation. I even do credit analysis. But please don't forget, drop your question below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.